Hey everybody, I'm Diana Diaz, and in this tutorial video I will explain how to make acrylic nails at home with an acrylic nail mold. We will begin by removing all the makeup from the nails. Next, we have to push the cuticle a little bit to remove all the dead skin. Remember just to remove what's necessary and to avoid harming the nails in this process. Now we'll use a 150 grit nail file to remove all the shine from the nail and prepare it for the application. With the help of a gauze and some Synergy white remover, we will remove all the impurities and the excess of dust from the nail. Now we will apply a dehydrator or pH stabilizer to ensure the adherence of the acrylic to the nails. This is a really important step, so remember to do it properly and with time. We will use a number 6 acrylic paintbrush and will submerge it into the monomer to take a little bit of white acrylic paint. And once we have the acrylic pearl in the brush, we'll take it to the nail mold. This particular mold is called a dual system forms, and it allows us to shape the nails easily at home. As soon as we have the acrylic paint in the mold, we'll shape it to obtain a French tip. Clean the brush with a napkin to avoid any kind of residues in the mold. Define the shape of the nail and shape it accordingly. If you want your nail to be thicker, you can apply another acrylic pearl. Once you have finished shaping the tip of the nail, we'll use some pink, rose or petal acrylic paint to fill the rest of the nail. This is how it must look after shaping the nail. Now we'll place it on top of the nail. We'll place the mold over the nail and apply a little bit of pressure without letting go for some seconds. Be very careful not to touch the cuticle. Now we will turn the nail around and remove with the brush any excess of acrylic paint from the nail. We must also make sure to remove from the cuticle and from the edge of the nail any rests of acrylic that you may find in the process. Now you can stop applying pressure and just let the acrylic dry. And now let's remove the nail mold, holding it from the root of the nail. The result will be a perfect nail. Now we just have to file the edges of the nail a little bit using the 150 grit nail file to eliminate the excess of acrylic from each side of the nail. And once you have the desired shape, we'll apply an acrylic or gel nail polish. Since I used a gel finish nail polish, I'll take the nails to the lamp for around 2 minutes to cure them. And now, as you can see, our nails are ready. Don't forget to apply some cuticle oil. Apply it around the whole nail and underneath it as well. After this, you can massage them to remove the excess. And this is the final result of our homemade acrylic nails. I hope you liked this video. If you live in Colombia and wish to purchase the dual system forms and other materials, remember to visit my page www.dekounas.com. I'm also leaving the contact details at the description box below. Remember also to subscribe to my channel for more tutorial videos. And remember that we can be found in Facebook as Deko Uñas. Bye!